Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a project or a few projects I made with these papers. So this was a custom order, but they wanted me to use, they wanted girly traveler's notebooks for like a first girls sleepover. So like girly, makeup-y, fashion, bags, that kind of stuff. So we decided on using some of the 6x6 paper pad. This is a fashionista paper pad by Echo Park. Somebody else already wants more. Well, somebody else saw those other ones that I made, these custom ones I'm going to show you guys, and then they want ones as well using this paper pad. So I will be working on more as well. So I used up some of the 6x6 paper pad. Then I used some sheets from the My Best Life collection by Echo Park. I previously used this in, I think a couple months ago on a piece mini album, and I had scraps left. I still have some more that I will be using to make another project with. I think I could get like a 4x4 mini album out of this still, so I'll be using the rest of that, but I did use the larger sheets that I had left. And I also pulled some sheets from this paper collection I had in my stash. This is Posh and Pink by Die Cuts with a View. And I mean, obviously I have a lot of papers here still left. I am not going to be smashing all of this. My goal is at least to smash, definitely want to smash this one and finish using that one up, and try to do that one as well, because this one's just going to go back in my stash. But I want to share with you guys what I made with those three paper collections, because they are really cute. So I'm going to go into detail about all of these, and let's get started. Okay, so using the rest of the sheets from the My Best Life collection, let me share with you guys that one more time. So using some larger sheets from this, I was able to get two traveler's notebooks. So I made these two. This one says, "Oh, what a beautiful day." And this one says, "Follow your dreams, they know the way." So looking at this one first, here's my little dangle charm for this one. It has like the little makeup, like a sleep mask in here. It's really cute. Some seam binding from My Scrap Cabin Shop. And if you guys would like to get any, use the code Carolina10 for 10% off. Also, I do have a tutorial on how I make these laminated traveler's notebooks, so I will link that down below in case you guys would like to make some of your own as well. So that just opens up, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. I did use some stickers before I laminated it. I had this sticker in my stash, grateful, thankful, blessed, so I just paper clipped it there. We've got tags. I decorated a little bit with some of the stickers here as well. Follow your dreams, they know the way. And yeah, I tried to include some stickers in here just to use some of those up. I found some other 3x4 cards in my stash, and I thought they were like perfect for like a sleepover. So this one, they're all a little bit different. They don't have any of the same kind of cut aparts or anything like that, but I thought they're all like so fun for a first girl sleepover. Little cowboy boot. So that is this one. And then the other one I was able to make with that same collection looks like this. So this is the dangle on this one. This one says Wanderlust over here. So that's the cute little dangle, again with the seam binding, just different colors. And then this one opens up like this. Did another sticker here and paper clipped image. I love the little stickers I was able to include in here. So I think the girls for the sleepover are going to have so much fun with this and love their little notebooks. Oh, what a beautiful day. Another folder. This one has different, this has like a journal spot here. And then this one says super cute. I tried to do like little girly ones in here. Keep on being you, and like some inspirational things as well. So there's that one. and then using the fashionista paper and the Posh and Pink. So with the fashionista paper, I would have made it all with this, but I don't have any extra sheets from this, so I don't have any 12 by 12s. So I needed something for the covers of the album, and I needed something for the folders. The notebooks I was able to cover with this, no problem. So the notebooks are covered in this, and I did have a couple of cut-aparts, like random cut-aparts in my stash from ones that you guys have sent me years ago. So they actually matched to this collection. So I was able to use, I was able to make 2 notebooks there. I'm going to be making more because, like I said, I have another custom order for me to use this paper pad. Ideally trying to make 3 more, but we will see how that turns out. I don't know how many I'll be able to make. And then I'm going to have like these larger scraps, so I'm not sure what I want to do with those yet, but yeah, so I have that paper pad. So this one, I love these charms. So I found this like little perfume bottle in my stash, so I used it here. I have this larger one that says love, so fun little charms. And this says, on a bad day, there's always lipstick. Very, very cute, you guys. The cover, like I said, is the Posh and Pink, but the cut apart is from the Fashionista collection. And then this is actually a sticker from my Best Life collection. Here's the Fashionista paper. So the notebooks are really, really cute. She's got dreams. And then this I just found in my stash, says fabulous. And then here, this one says hello. And yes, I know the writing here is upside down, which is why I tried to cover it up with some sunglasses, but it just matched really well with this like collection, like the gray. So I thought it worked. Then this one says shine. And yeah, so that is another one. And then the last one using that collection, this is probably my favorite dangle of them all. This one has like a large glittery bow. You've got like a high heel shoe on here. I only had like one of those in my stash. I think I got them in like, I don't know, some kind of swaps or Happy Mail at some point. Even the bow charm and stuff. So I just kind of used it here, which is why I only had one of each, but I thought it was so cute. So this one says, in a world full of trends, always remain a classic. Again, the cut apart is from the Fashionista collection, but the background is that pink and Posh from, or Posh and Pink. What is it? Posh and Pink from Die Cuts with a View. So I got little sunglasses up here. You got the little heels. And then another one of like a little tuck kind of thing. This one says, she turned her can'ts into cans and her dreams into plans. And then this one has a little purse. I think this is actually from the Fashionista collection. I had it in my stash. And then this one has another one of those hello as the other ones. And then this little heart tag, that's from the Posh and Pink collection also. And then smile is the prettiest thing you have on. So I thought that was really, really fun. I did mix and match collections here, as you guys see, but I think it worked out really well in the end. I don't mix and match often, but if I need to, like, because I only had this 6x6 paper pad, I'm able, like, I will do that. But that wasn't like a big deal. Like, I didn't have to go searching like really hard trying to find matching paper, because I have like pinks in my stash that I know, like pink paper pads, which is that Posh and Pink. I have them in my stash that I know I can match with like other things, because I have a bin for that. It's called Girly and Pinks or Pinks and Girly, something like that. So I knew I didn't have to go digging really deep to be able to find those. So those are the 4 custom travelers notebooks I made, you guys. They turned out really cute. I'm gonna get these packed up and ready to get mailed out. Like I said, I still want to finish up using the rest of this collection. I'm thinking like a 4x4 size mini album, and then I would like to use up the 6x6 paper pad as well. We'll see how the rest of this month goes. I feel like I have a lot more projects I need to make, and I'm nowhere near done with everything I decided to end up using in the end. Like, I had so many other things I decided I wanted to use, and then this month, just with my Paper Stash Smash collaboration, I just felt like, because I was able to do so many different things, I feel like I took on so much between custom orders and things, and it's all like different collections, but I mean, I'm happy. It's just that I'm cutting into a lot of different collections and not finishing them all up. So we'll see. If I don't finish it this month, especially the 12 by 12s, I'll move them on to next month, because next month is 12 by 12s anyway. So we shall see. But yeah, so I'm gonna get these packed up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the tutorial in case you guys are interested in making your own. Like I said, I love how these turned out. I think they're so stinking cute. And that is all. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.